everybody, welcome back. Today's just going to be a quick little grocery haul vlog. I already did my groceries order online, so we're just gonna go pick it up between 3 and 4. The boys just woke up, so I'm gonna get them some milk and get them all situated. Hey. Also, we're gonna be doing a little DIY craft later, so you wanna say bye? All right, stick around. Just picked up our grocery order and we're on our way home now. Tyson, can you say hi? It's all right, so we'll get back to you with what we got. Hey everybody, welcome back. All right, we just got back home. So Jackson and Kyson are bringing the groceries in. Jackson's just bringing bags in. You're so funny. We're gonna tell you what we got now. I'm gonna unload everything and I'm gonna put it all on the counter behind me. I'm gonna stop squatting like this because it kind of hurts and I'm not in shape. Let's go. So I got a variety pack of chips and some popcorn, a couple different things of fruit snacks, one of these box dinners. I got some crackers and some granola bars with yogurt. I got some command strips and some light bulbs, some milk and some tea, some granola for my yogurt, some spoons for a DIY project, a bunch of different baby food for JJ, some fruits and veggies, some bagels and cream cheese, Danimals for Kyson, and some yogurt pouches, and some Lunchables. One of these microwavable meals, a couple different kinds of yogurt for me, and also got these breakfast sandwiches.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Until next time, bye.
Bye-bye.